Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get a glider in Lego Fortnite. Gliders are incredibly useful tools for navigating the expansive world, allowing you to safely descend from towering structures and reach distant locations much faster. To begin, you'll need to gather some key resources and ensure you have the proper crafting setup. We'll walk through each step, making sure you're soaring through the skies in no time. Let's dive right into To craft your very first glider, you'll need to gather a few specific materials. First, you'll want to collect 8 pieces of flexwood, which can be found by chopping down cacti in desert biome. Next, you'll need 4 silk fabric, obtained from spinning silk at a spinning wheel. Don't forget 1 obsidian slab, typically found in lava caves, and 3 pieces of cord, crafted from vines. These are your foundational components. Now, let's program your bass line. The key to achieving the glide is to slightly overlap your MIDI notes in your sequencer. This tells the synthesizer to slide from one note to the next rather than playing them distinctly. Experiment with different note lengths. Longer overlaps create a more pronounced glide, while shorter ones offer a snappier transition. Always consider the musical key of your track to ensure your bass line remains harmonically pleasing and fits well within the overall composition. Congratulations, you've crafted your glider. To use it, simply equip it in one of your utility slots. When you're ready to take flight, find a high vantage point, jump off, and then press the jump button a second time to deploy your glider. You can control your direction and speed of descent while airborne. Remember, gliders do have durability, so keep an eye on their condition and repair them at a crafting bench when needed to keep soaring through the skies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.